Hey everyone, welcome back to another video of Foxtecc, and in this one, we're talking about emails and Amazon. How do you create an Amazon email, how it all works. Let me explain everything to you. It's important to note that Amazon doesn't provide email addresses ending in amazon.com for its customers. These email addresses are reserved for internal communications and specific customer service purposes. However, if you want to set up an Amazon account for shopping or using their services like Audible or Kindle, I'll show you how to do it using your existing email address. Let's get started. First, open your web browser on your iPad and go to Amazon's website by typing in amazon.com. Once the homepage loads, look towards the top right corner of the screen and find the Account and Lists option. Tap on this to expand the menu. In the drop-down menu, you'll see an option that says New Customer, Start Here. This will take you to a new page where you'll need to enter your personal information to set up your account. Start by filling in your name. Next, enter your existing email address. This is the email you'll use to log into Amazon and receive communications from them. After entering your email, create a password for your Amazon account. Make sure it's something secure, but also something you can remember. Once you've filled out all the required fields, tap on the Create Your Amazon Account button. After you've clicked on the button, Amazon will send a verification code to the email address you provided. Open your email app on your iPad and look for an email from Amazon containing the verification code. Once you've found the email, note the verification code and return to the Amazon verification page. Enter the code in the provided field and tap on the Verify button. Congratulations! You've successfully created your Amazon account using your existing email address. You can now use this account to access all of Amazon's services, including shopping, Audible, and Kindle. It's a straightforward process, and now you're ready to explore everything Amazon has to offer. Thank you for watching this video on Foxtecc. I hope you found this guide helpful in setting up your Amazon account on your iPad. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you guys later.